Now we will see practical on Ajax. So for that, first step is I need to create one event. So for that I am writing here input type equal to text, and on this on click event I am writing some function. Let's say display underscore me. Under that I am passing value that is written inside this text box. So what I will do is, whatever is get written inside input text element I will print here. So for that I need to write so underscore me and close the division. So now what we'll do is, now we will do practical on Ajax. So for that, first I need to create one text box. Input text, and on this on click event I will write some function. Let's say display underscore me, and inside this I will pass value that is entered by user in this text box. What I will do is, I will put ID here, and this ID I will write so underscore me. So whatever will be written inside text box will visible to in this division using Ajax. So I need to create one function display underscore me. So for that I need to write a script function display underscore me. Inside I am passing one variable, let's say value. Now inside that I will write all Ajax functionality, all Ajax variables. Let's say I need to create here XML, HTTP. This is not compulsory that you need to write here XML, HTTP. You can use any variable. So this is the this is the second step. First step is creating an event and loading that event. We have already done that. Now second is check which browser we are using. So for that I need to write here if window I need to write here window dot xml http request. If it is Safari browser or browser after Internet Explorer 7, then we need to create here xml http equal to new xml http request. But if our browser is not Safari or anyone else, it is Internet Explorer 6 or it is Internet Explorer 5, then we need to go for XML HTTP equal to new ActiveX object. Inside that I need to pass Microsoft dot XML HTTP. So now we have created object XML HTTP request. Now what I need to do is I need to send request to server. So for that there are two methods. First one is XML HTTP dot open. Inside that first element is method, let's say get. Second is path of our file from which we want to get data. So in my case, let me add here view.php, and inside view I am passing id equal to plus value. So whatever we will pass here, it will be available here, so it can be accessed in this page. And third parameter is true or false. We will write here true, and after that XML HTTP dot send. Now what we will do is we have sending request to our server, but now we need to check ready sets. We need to check ready state. So for that XML HTTP dot on ready state change equal to function. Inside that function, first we will check XML HTTP dot ready state equal to 4, and XML HTTP dot status equal to 200. That means okay. So now when these two conditions are fine, we can write here document dot get element by id. Inside that I need to pass id of this division. So let's say I have written here show me dot inner HTML equal to XML HTTP dot response text. So this is response text that we are getting from server, and this response text will be available here. But before that I need to create this file view.php. In view.php I will write just a simple PHP to echo. So let me first write here that file. So for this I am writing here PHP echo $_ get id. I have written here id. Why? Because we are passing here id. So let me save as view.php, but before that let me put condition here. If is set $_get id, so it will not throw us any error. So now I am saving this file as view.php. So this is done. Now let me show you output of this code, but I need to write here on key up instead of on click. So whenever user is typing something, we will find it here. So let me show you output of this code. So this is the output that we are getting from that code. So let me write here x, y, z. So what will happen here is, once user type anything, on key up event will generate. On key up we have created Ajax function, and Ajax function is passing to view.php value, and that view.php is displayed here. So that way how Ajax is working. Output is same in Angular in Ajax, but in Ajax it is quite difficult to achieve, while in Angular it is quite easy to achieve same output.